Okay, to remove the bumper, you're going to have these push style type of clips. Basically, you just push this center piece right here, and as soon as that goes in, this whole tab would come out. Now go ahead and do that and get back to you whenever it's next video. Okay, I got that clip out, you can see. See if I can zoom it in. So you can see it's pushed in. Other than that, as soon as you get that out, all you do is like carefully go this way with the bumper. You can see it start popping off. It's nothing but retaining clips. Okay, I guess you get the idea. I'm gonna stop recording for right now and get back to you on the next video. Be a better view. I got the light on. Like I said, you just have the clip here, and just carefully start prying it like that. Don't pull too hard, and you might break the tabs. So you can see it's all released. And we'll move on to the next part. Okay, for this one, you're gonna have a couple of bolts. And you're going to have a push clip. As you can see, I kind of removed some of it already. And they're going to be 10 mil. Like I said, right here. Go along all the way on the other side. I got the bumper kind of semi taken off. I know some of you guys would say, why not just take off the bumper, blah blah blah. This is kind of like just an easy way. Like I said, I got all those 10 mils and the clips taken off. I got the sides released. I just pulled it forward just enough so I can run the harness just right behind. It'll be kind of like tied up here, and it'll go right underneath here, and then come out from the head underneath the headlights, and it'll be right there. As you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and run that and record it next time. Do the wiring harness. Other than that, next video. The fog light cover just kind of pops off. These are the stock one. As you can see, just got locking tabs on each side all around. No screws. Just release those and it'll pop off. An update. Just the bottom fog light assembly. As I mentioned earlier, see how like I used the ground. I ran all the wires along these. Just make sure you zip tie them. You can see right here, it's underneath. Put the relay right here. Zip tie it in. Make sure you got the wire going up. Now to get that single wire for the switch, you have to run it along here. You have to take the little plastic cover. You're going to be running it, shooting right there. You have to move your fender liner a little bit so you can access your door boot right here. That's where you're going to run the wire. Other than that, that should be all it. Next video. There's the LEDs for the low beams. For the driver's side, it's pretty easy. You can kind of access it just right there. You can squeeze your fingers in there. For the passenger side, you have to take two clips, and this whole thing just kind of slides up. And after that, you'll be able to access the bulb right there. Other than that, that's really all it is.